Hi, do you want to get to financial freedom? Do you want to speed up to get to financial freedom faster? If yes, this video for you. If you do any trade and if you trade any stock market or crypto or any fund, this video is very important for you. This video basically helped me. I'm going to tell you one golden ratio which helped me to speed up my financial freedom and to make sure I make profits on the stock market on trading. Okay, so video is free and I'm providing this free for my follower, and click like and subscribe and share with your friend. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about the money strategy and money mindset, and today I'm going to tell you the trading strategy. So very important. I'm going to ask you one question before I start. What is the win rate for the top trader you think? What is the percentage of the win rate? 90%? 100%? No. The answer is, if you Google it, I'm going to show you. Some people really let's see how to, let me share with this so you can understand better. When we're talking about technical analysis, or when we talk about the top trader, the most successful trader, basically the win rate is 45% to 65% only. Okay, so any win rate over 50% is already called amazing trader. So when we study technical analysis, it helped me to give us a picture. What is the trend right now? It's a good timing to buy, but I'm going to give you the golden ratio. Even when we see, oh, it's a good time to buy, yes, but is it really a good bet for us? So sometimes it's not. So I'm going to give you this ratio for free here. So click like and subscribe and share with your friend. And this golden ratio, basically, I apply on every single of my trade, and it helped me to speed up my financial freedom, basically. So I'm going to share with you my right board. Here first. Okay, so this golden ratio, I called it. So basically, let's say one stock is at $100. You can see you need to learn how to see the cut loss price. Let's say if you cut loss at $90 and the potential win, the potential gain, if it's $10 gain, $10 loss, will you trade that stock? For me, no. If you win $5, you lost $10, will you trade that stock? I definitely not. So when it's over $30, the profit against $10, the loss, I will go ahead. So basically the ratio for me, this ratio is 1-3. So this is $1 loss vs $3 gain. vs $3 gain. Basically, this is the ratio. So let's say I give you one example. Let's say we have 100K capital for us to trade. So in the statistic, they say the top trader got 45 to 65% of the winning rate. Okay, so for us, let's say we study all the technical analysis. We have, let's say, 50%, 50 win, 50 loss. So we separate. Okay, so 100K investment, we have 50K loss, 50K in the win back, but the 50K doesn't mean we lost 50K, or okay, because why? Because we cut loss. Okay, so we don't hold the holding to zero. So when they hit the cut loss price, we basically sell the product. Okay, so this is 50. So in each bet, let's say we don't win 30K, we win 20K in each bet. I'm going to show you something very critically. This one we lost 10K. So in this ratio, well, even we do less, even, okay, let's say you win, I don't know, 10K, and then you lost, oh, easy calculation. So 30K vs 10K. So even at the end, we do 50-50, right? So you still win 20K at the end. Okay, which is quite okay. And if the ratio is not 1-3, if the ratio is 1-1, same. So if you potential gain is 5, potential loss is $5. So we do quite even. Okay, which is saying break even. So what's the point to trade then? So the worst scenario, I know some people do it, is the potential gain is let's say 10, the potential loss is 50. So after all, you lost. Basically, you make less loss. So basically, you better not to trade in this way. So okay, back to that scenario. If in each trade, if you know how to do the valuation calculation and with some tools, you make 20K in each deal. And here you make 10K in each deal. And then, oops, let me charge my computer. Okay. At the end, you make the profit here. I want to show you something very quickly. So you making profit here for 100K and you make loss for 50K. So I'm going to give you the net profit is 50K. Okay, the net profit is 50K with the capital 100K. So basically you're making 50% of the any return. So basically speed up the financial freedom very quickly. But I don't for most of us, for most of you, basically if you don't take any course, you don't make so good percentage because you don't know how to trade the how to evaluate the stock, right? But let's say you do. But what I want to share with you here is this ratio, the golden ratio, 1-to-3 ratio. So yeah, this is one of the most important way for me to trade and for many successful traders to do it. When the ratio is less than 1-to-3, we don't do any trade. So when it's only 1-to-2, I don't do. When it's 1-to-1, it's even worse. So I do it when it's 1-to-3, or even better, 1-to-4, 1-to-5. It's very possible because lately I find some stock with very low cut loss price because you buy at very near the cut loss price and then you're waiting for the rebounds or for the gain for the bull market. With this ratio, it also tell us, that's why I don't recommend people to buy at the bear market when it's not confirmed, because bear market is in a downtrend like this, right? I don't know why. Can I draw it here? Okay. Okay, I don't know how to draw it basically. So basically the downtrend is here. The potential gain is little. It's not confirmed. But the potential loss is a lot. So this ratio doesn't make sense, right? With this ratio. So but if it's uptrend, when we buy, when it's close to the cut loss price, let's say when we do it like this, we buy here, the cut loss price is very near. So the potential loss is very near, but the potential gain is a lot when we loan something, when we call something, when we buy something and hold it. So the bull market is much better way to buy. So first you need to look at the long trend. Are we in the bull market or are we in the bull market? So the bear market. So if bear market, I will try to avoid to do any trade. So basically this is my sharing today, and I hope you not just when you see the indicator tell you to buy, think first, what if they go wrong? What if they go to opposite direction? Because it always happens. Even the top trader the top ratio is 65% win rate. So it happened. They have a false signal, right? What if they go to one different direction, opposite direction? What would you do? What is your potential loss? So when you know these figures, then you can calculate, you have this ratio, then you will know it is a good bet or not. It's a good trade or not. If it's not good trade, we don't need to trade it. We don't need to trade every single trade, right? So you really need to tell, is it a good buy or is it good? Okay, when we have a signal, we have to ask ourselves, is that good buy? What is the consequence if they go opposite direction? Or what is the potential loss? What is the ratio? You have to ask this kind of question first before we do any kind of trade. It's not just buy, sell, buy, sell. When we see the signal, we buy, we sell, we buy, we sell. No, this is not the way we trade. And remember, when we talk about technical analysis or trend line analysis, even I say, oh, it's a good timing to buy because it's very near the cut loss, but still there's a cut loss. Cut loss means when the price go down, you stop the holding, so you sell the holding. So in some of my video, the last video I mentioned, I lost a little bit, but the cut loss ratio is amazingly good. It's over 1 to 5. Yes, I lost in that trade because they have a forced drop and then they drop below my trend line. I lost a little bit, but still in the long run, if I do remember the top trader successful rate is 45 to 65%. So when according to this calculation, which I'm doing this right now, so in long term you still win. So even we do 2-1, we're still making profit. We're still making good profit. So today is my sharing, and I hope this video can give you to help you a little bit on the trading. And follow me, subscribe me, and share my video, and give me a comment any kind of video you want to see regarding to the financial freedom. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.